Hello everybody, I'm Storm here, and today I wanted to do the video that I had mentioned previously in one of the previous episodes of Crusader Kings 3, the current Scandinavia series, which I'm currently loaded into, to talk about custom characters, because what I was considering was allowing viewers to request custom characters to be added or modified in the game based on, whatever you would want. Now, within reason, of course, because I don't want to basically break the game, right? So I don't want to be like adding completely overpowered characters in. But, if someone wanted to customize a particular character, then I think I would be willing to do that. So, how would that work is kind of the question. And so, this is what I've come up with. First off, you would need to let me know what character you would want to change, right? Would it be one of my kids, one of my family members, somebody in there, or another ruler, a vassal, some other character in the game? Just kind of, I would need to know who you would want to change. So, for example, say the King of Finland, somebody wanted me to customize the King of Finland. Now, I've installed some mods into the game. One of them allows me to rename any character, so I can rename any character to whatever name you'd like. I can also barbershop any character, so we can change clothes, headwear, everything. There, I can barbershop any character. Now, also, I could potentially edit the traits of a character, but then again, be careful with that. Don't want to create characters out there that are too overpowered. Now, the complicated part of this is going to be altering a character's appearance, which I can do. Now, what I actually would need to do is do save game edits to add DNA strings to characters to alter their appearance, which I have figured out how to do that in the save file. So I figured out how to edit the save game and where those DNA code strings are to change character appearances. So how do you get the DNA string data that I would need to alter the character? Well, for one thing, you're going to need to find a mod on the workshop that allows you to get into the debug mode. No, I think there's like a launch option or something that actually does it, but what I've actually done is I've installed a mod that allows me to get in debug mode with a single key press, and I believe that the one that I have does F11. So I'll go ahead and head in debug mode here. So now I'm in debug mode, and you can see I got all these little buttons here. And if you go in here, I get all these different interactions that we can do, which I want to avoid doing because I don't want to screw with the series too much. But once you're in debug mode, if you hit the tilde key to bring up the console here, there is a button here for Portrait Editor. I do need to be careful a little bit here when I bring this up, because in the portrait editor, it will show the characters naked. So I don't want to get in any YouTube trouble, so I'm going to go ahead and avoid pushing certain buttons in here. So what you would do is you got all of these options for editing the character. Ethnicity templates. So, for example, if we went Caucasian, Northern dark hair, you can randomize the DNA. And then if you go to the genes, you can go through all the different genes here about, editing, look of the character. So, say you find a character here, you like the way they look. There are two things I'm going to need. First is the persistent DNA string. which if you click the copy persistent DNA, you can then post that into a text editor. So if I bring up Notepad here, you drop that in. This is what it looks like. The persistent DNA string. Now, also, I would need this DNA string as well. So if we copy that DNA string, bring this back in, paste that in. At least I tried to paste that in. Did we not? Copy DNA string. Oh, it's screwed that up. Hold on. Let me just get rid of this stuff. So yeah, if you copy that DNA string, it should post in, and then that's what it would look like. So I would need both of those to be able to edit the save game to make a character look the way you'd want to make it look. So, how would you get this information to me? Well, the best way... I'm going to close that out. There we go. The best way to do that would be using the channel Discord. There should be a link to join the Discord in the video description of any of my Crusader Kings 3 videos. And there is a Crusader Kings dedicated channel there in the Discord channel. So you can go ahead and put a post in there with those strings and the information about what character you'd want, what you want to name it, that sort of stuff. I could probably even edit dynasties. Can I edit dynasties? I don't know if I can edit dynasties. But I can rename them. So I can edit their name, edit their appearance, all that sort of stuff. So I just wanted to make a video about that, and I'll keep an eye on that channel regularly and try to get those characters edited in. I think I could probably even edit their age. Yeah, I think I could probably even edit their age in the save file. So, yeah, I think that's everything. I wanted to put up a quick video about that because I figured that this would be the easiest way to do it, to kind of show you how all of that works. All right, so I hope everyone's enjoying the Crusader Kings series, and I'll see you guys next time.